mathematical calculations you can store. So for example, write a Python program. So write a Python program, next program, for accepting the radius of a circle and find and display the area, sorry, and calculate area and display. Calculate area and perimeter and display. Okay, this is the program, anyone can try. Otherwise I have to explain. I have to explain. Okay, let me see. Okay, okay, no need of. Hmm. Hmm. Tell me, Vinesh. Yes, pi r square is the formula. So what is the problem? Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so that means what is the first statement I have to ask? Enter any what is it? Enter radius. I have to ask radius. Okay. For reducing this print statement, I can use here. Okay, okay. Let me go because for those people don't understand. Enter radius. Next, I have to take a variable called radius, and it is of which data type? Of float, because precision values. Integer is only for, there is different variables are there, different objects are there. Integer is used to store, integer is a data type or the function. It is used to store only the numbers that may be 22, minus 99, 536, plus 536, any numbers. Float is also a data type. Float is also a data type. Yes, it is used for decimal because radius are the decimal values. For example, 33.56, okay, minus 22 point some 15, etc. Any precision values, point values, you can store under float. So radius is a precision value. So that's why we need to take a float. Okay, radius. After that, you need a constant variable, that is a pi. Pi equals to 3.14. Pi value is 3.14. This is a constant value. And then you need to find the area. Area equals to, what is the formula? Formula pi r square. Pi r square means pi into means asterisk, radius into radius. Pi r square we studied in the childhood. Radius into radius. Pi r square. I assigned to area. Similarly, perimeter. Perimeter is pi r square or 2 pi r? Perimeter is 2 pi r, 2 into pi into radius, 2 pi r. Okay, then I have to print the area and perimeter. Area is, where is the area? In area variable. And then perimeter. The perimeter variable. Peri. Peri is my variable. Peri is my variable. So this is the program for this one. For accepting the radius of a circle and calculating the area and perimeter and display. So Aishwarya, you understand, otherwise I have to explain. Pi, you know pi value, basic pi value. Pi means pi. Pi value, you know, mathematics, in mathematics. Pi is finish. What is the what is pi value? Uh, yes, universal value. How can you represent in mathematics? 3.14 is the normal precision value. What is the basic pi? How can you represent in mathematics? 22 by 7. Hmm. Yes, 22 by 7 means if you put that 7 is that division, apply the division in the coefficient, you will get, yes, 3.14. So 3.14 some value, it will be continue 3.14 something. Okay, but we have to take up to 2 decimal points. That is the importance of the pi value. 3.14 is the pi value. And the area, we are know that area of a circle. How can I find? What is the formula? Pi r square. Pi is the value. Pi in the pi, pi. Yes, you can also write like this, 22 by 7. If anybody not 22 by 7, you can also write like this. Okay, you can also, but if you know, you can directly write 3.14. Okay. Okay, now, so Aishwarya, once again I will explain you for your purpose. First and foremost thing, it will be asked for a radius. That means I have a radius variable is there. I have a radius variable there. And then if I entered anything like a 3.2, otherwise 32.3, I entered, it is a precision value. For this float, input is 32.3, it will be converted to float and stored in the radius variable. And pi is the another memory. Pi is the name. Okay, I provided as pi only. You can put any particular name, but as it is not correct way to declare like this. So because I am doing the program of area of a circle, whenever I am assigning a pi value to pi variable, it is very good. If you put your name, it is not right. So that's why. Okay, pi and 3.14, where here the 3.14 will store in the pi memory. I will take a pen here. Okay, I have two radius is one variable. If you entered any value, radius is one variable. I can write radius here. Radius is one variable. Whatever value I entered, that will be stored. For example, it is 30.4. I entered. Next is the pi is the another memory. Pi is the another memory. P capital and I capital. And here 3.14 is directly. And next is area is the another memory. And next one is perimeter is the another memory.